So when you're coming into a corner, you can still scoot forward even more on the bike like this, and then stick your inside leg out. This puts a little bit more weight forward, and you can use it for balance as well.
Just around the corner?
Yeah, so once you get past the corner, then you can sit back in the middle of the seat.
Okay.
So,
I mean, do you like step up to move?
what?
Do you step, like stand up to move back and forth?
Sure. I mean, whatever's easiest. You should just be on the balls of your feet like this, toes pointed forward, and you just slide forward. So, I mean, you can watch me. Does that help?
I like that a lot.
If you want a personalized path to help prevent crashes that can lead to injuries on the trails, I made an online training class on this specific topic, and it's 100% free for you today. Click the link in the description below to get instant access.